This is a Ewarmer hand warmer. It is 3-in-1. It have a flashlight, it can charge your mobile, and it can also be used as a hand warmer. This package includes a hand warmer, USB charging port, a manual. Manual have the specification and the usage details. Pretty easy to use. Quality looks good. This is the button, flashlight, on and off button, and the charging port. Let's open this micro USB port to show you like how to get it charged. You can see the indicator, the charging. Now let's show you the usage. So once you open it once, you can see like the charging, so you can charge your mobile with that. So one, and then you can see like the charging port. If you do the low, then you can see the red button flashing. That means it start warming. Low is for low warming and high is for high warming. So when you put on the high, you can see there. Then do it 2 times. If you click it 2 times, then the flashlight will be on. So let's see like this one. So 2 times the flashlight will be on. Press it 2 times again, the flashlight will be off. And let's try the warmer. So red light is